see how the Dutch live side by side with nature. I mean, what I mean by nature, that this beautiful bird, the swan, has been here for, I mean, as long as I know, and nobody's bothering them. Actually, bothering them in terms that they take care of them. Maybe the other one is on sitting on eggs, so probably we might be able to see some little swans watching around, because that's really really cool, because I have seen quite a lot ducks with their ducklings, you know, moving about, but I've never actually seen a swan with baby. How do they do that? Or pigeon, for that matter. If you've seen pigeon, comment on this video that you've seen pigeon, I mean, actually walking around with their babies. So I mean, it seems like the pigeons nurture their baby in the nest, and after that they're on their own, or they fly together. So I wonder how the swan does it. I'm gonna do some research about it later, but I'm just trying to show you what's around my neighborhood. And probably the heap of rubbish there is not being picked up because the swan is using it, because knowing the Netherlands, somebody would have cleaned it a long time ago. Probably that's the male, or it could be female anyway, trying to get food while the male is doing the other way. I don't know how the swan does that. I know a lot of animals does that in their community. I mean, the male take care of the egg while the female go look for food. They are beautiful, aren't they? I love the swan, they're so elegant. Although if I will become a bird, I want to be an owl, but the swans are still elegant. Let us know what you think. And this is where they live. They live all these places. The sun is coming out. They could enjoy all this water to themselves. And there's also a lot of canals everywhere, so they really like almost perfectly in line with nature, the swans. Oh, look. The male or the female is going back. I don't know which one it is. Going back to check on how it's going. Let's see if we're gonna film them exchange seat. It would be amazing to capture that, isn't it? Oh, that's why some serious step is taken to get into the water. See that? Hey, the swan has landed. I'm actually standing here this long to see if they're gonna exchange. I cannot tell which one is female. Maybe if I go closer, somebody on some expert will know who's the male or the female. So please, somebody say who might be male, or if they're both female or male, the same gender here. Oh, you see the eggs? There's eggs. You see the egg? I told you there's egg. Whoa! There's those eggs. See underneath there, there's eggs. Yes, I've seen. I can actually say, look, I'm sharing with you guys some special moment. How many of you have seen a swan egg before? That was egg. I saw it. That's amazing. Ha 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 ha. Ah, yes, guys, you could do this. You could do this. We're pregnant as well. You guys are amazing. Hope you guys find us amazing and say that we can do it too. Haha. Did you guys see that? I saw it. I saw it. Oh, it's still building actually. You see? It's still gathering the pile of rubbish. And adding out just to make sure that everything stays. I wonder what happens when it rains. To just stay there still. Ah, we might see the egg again. Let's hang around. Hope I'm not disturbing you guys. So actually, I'm very far away, so I'm not disturbing them. Just I'm zooming in, then it seems so close by. But we want to see the egg again, just one time, to make sure that I got it. You see? You see the eggs? You see the eggs? You see the eggs? Yes! Yes! Thank you, Swan. You are doing an amazing job there. Keep up the good work. We're all proud of you. Oh no, I wish I can picture. You see that? You see the eggs? Oh, they're gonna exchange. Oh no. Is the other one stepping away for the other one to take over? Don't step on the egg. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Oh, it's stepping gently. Now it's, oh, the other one was actually gonna go. It was going close. I think maybe he's thinking it's his turn to go over, and then he stayed behind. This is amazing. What is it? Look what he's doing. He's picking the sticks and then putting it that way, like the stream is supposed to push it down towards her or towards him. I don't know which one it is. Oh, so happy that I got the egg for you guys. See. Will somebody be able to tell whether this is a female or male?
Hello boys and girls, this is your girl Anna, and you're watching Tithe Samuel Show. Hit that subscribe button below.